On San Carlos Island at Fort Myers Beach, a shocking incident unfolded at Hurricane Tina's bar. Deputies say a 97-year-old bartender was punched in the face after refusing to serve another drink to a customer who appeared intoxicated. The situation quickly escalated into violence, leaving witnesses stunned by the attack. The following day, deputies tracked down the suspect, and that's where this body cam camera footage begins.
What is it?
Danichenko.
Spell it for me.
D-E.
D-E?
Danichenko.
Okay.
You know how to spell that?
No, I don't.
Name?
Can you spell it for me?
I don't know how to spell it.
You don't know how to spell your last name?
D-E.
D-E.
Danichenko.
Okay, spell it for me.
Anyways,
you are not free to leave. That is the last time that I'm going to tell you. Okay? Spell your last name. Spell your last name.
Why? I don't like to be by the pole ugly ass leaf.
Okay, what is your last name?
Danichenko.
Spell that. Are you going to spell that for me?
I don't know how to spell it.
You don't know how to spell your last name?
No.
Okay. Come here. Alright, that's it. Stop. Stop. Stop.
Fuck.
I'm about to put you on the floor. You're about to go on the floor. Oh, come on, man. Cut it out. 35 kilo headquarters. Give me a unit.
It burns.
Do not move or you're going to get tased.
Okay. It burns. It burns. It burns. On my back.
Roll over.
It burns.
Roll over.
Okay.
Roll over. Put your hands behind your back right now. Put your hands behind your back right now. Put your other hand behind your back right now. Put your other hand behind your back.
Hold on. Nigga.
Now I'll be good.
Can you get my phone?
Stop.
It burns.
Stand up then.
Burns.
You could sit right there. My earpiece came out.
Yep.
Yeah, I figured.
Hi, Sarah.
That's not my name.
35.
So your name is now, what is it?
What do you want from me?
Well, why do you keep lying about your
You
name?
can clear it. I got one to
I
say.
have to get where I need to go.
Okay,
All
come
right,
on.
get her up. Put her in the car.
Stand up. That way.
Can you pick my phone up?
Sure.
Get it. Get it.
You don't have anything on you, do you?
Oh, wait a minute.
Okay.
Can you get my phone
Sure.
off the fucking gravel? Can I get water?
That's your wallet? And your phone?
No, that's not my wallet.
Your purse, I mean? Is that your purse and
Yeah.
your wallet? I mean, your phone? And a
Yeah,
charger?
that's my phone.
Okay. So, you said your name is Sky what? But that's weird. There's paperwork here for a Sarah Powell. And you said that's your stuff.
Who said that?
You said your name wasn't Sarah, right?
No.
No? So what's your name? You want an
I just
additional?
told you.
You want an additional charge?
Okay.
All right, then cut the shit. Unless you want the additional charge.
Like,
You want to give me a fake name and you're gonna get an additional
Don't
charge?
charge me.
Hey,
What's that?
She already gave me a fake name.
Okay, yeah, you're full
Oh,
of
take
shit.
your pussy ass up, nigga. Flat ass.
Statement form.
Did she try to take off?
Huh?
Did she try to take off or?
Well, I hopped out on her right there because I saw the picture of her, so I already
Yeah.
knew who it was. I was like, hey, how you doing? It's Sarah. My name's not Sarah. My name's Sky. I'm like, oh, all right, Sky, cool. What's your last name? So I'm literally trying to write it down on my thing, and she's like, I'm not fucking dealing with you, and starts to walk away. I'm like, you're not free to leave. I already know who you are. I'm just writing this down so I can charge you a false ID to LEO. And that's when she tried to pull away. I grabbed her, and she tried to push off. I pushed her up against the car. I was going to turn her around. Then she started swinging, so I just leg sweeped her and dropped her on the ground. I would just roll the window down, honestly. I'd roll the window down and let her down.
And I'm a shackle on her.
Okay. We're gonna have to take her out and recover.
I'm not wearing
Well,
those.
she slipped.
Who's 312?
312 tough one.
Listen, put your fist away. Put your fist away.
Nigga,
Back to the ground. Back to the ground.
nigga, I'm stronger than you think, nigga. Hey,
Get on the fucking ground.
shut the fuck up. Hey,
Headquarters 312.
I got you. I got you. Hey, give me another set.
Relax.
fuck off from me.
Can you just repeat your last?
This thing.
I just wanted to make sure you had me on this call. I'm going with 312.
Alright, can you get that other hand? Whenever you're ready.
Get your fat ass off of me. You mad or no?
I don't care if it's like. Just hold her there for a second.
Get your fat ass off of me, bitch!
Stop fighting us.
Stop getting your fat ass off of
fighting
me! Get your little dick self off of me! Off of me! Off of me! Off of me! Bitch, wait till I get there. You can handcuff me all you want to. Where's my water? Get off of me right now!
Are you done? You got legs on?
Do you have something to drink?
Yep. Alright.
Not right now.
And
Do you have water?
Are you gonna comply?
Yeah, do you have water? I will comply if you have water.
100% I'll give you water.
Thank you. I will comply.
Alright, check it out.
Do I have water?
Yep, you are going to have water.
Okay.
They're going to get off. I'm going to help you to your feet. Understood?
359-172. 359-172.
Stand up.
Stand up.
I will get you water.
Okay.
You need to sit
How long is it
down.
gonna take?
2 seconds.
Okay.
Sit down.
Come on, nice.
All the way in.
No,
All the way in.
My.
Okay.
1490.
Help me.
Alright, come try. Now faces charges including battery on a person 65 years or older, battery on law enforcement, resisting an officer, and providing a false ID to an officer. The 97-year-old bartender was left with swelling to her face and cuts on her arm, but declined further medical treatment at the scene. For more body cam footage and real law enforcement responses, don't forget to subscribe to my channel on Duty Cam and hit the bell button to stay updated.